The last 24 hours have been crazy for the crypto market. Kwon, the founder of Terra came out with a proposal to hard fork the blockchain, but this proposal is dead before it's even started. In addition to this, we've seen a lot of bottom indicators for the market with Bitcoin, which could be signaling that we are seeing a turnaround in the market and that we could be seeing prices rally very soon. And also, we've seen a lot go on with regulators. So in today's video, I want to talk about everything you need to know in a short and concise format. If you appreciate that, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump right in, starting off with the overall crypto market. So right now, overall crypto market sitting at a $1.3 trillion market cap, and we're seeing Bitcoin's price still hovering right around that $30,000 per coin range, which is up almost 25 to 30% from its low just last week when it was at $25,000 per coin. So this is a great sign. When we're looking at the crypto fear and greed index, this could be indicating that we're hitting a bottom, or that we just did hit a bottom at $25,000 per coin, because on the crypto fear and greed index, it's at its lowest level since March of 2020. Currently, it's sitting around 8, and there's been very few times in the history of Bitcoin that we have seen this crypto fear and greed index drop as low as 8. Every single time that we have seen this happen, every single time that we have seen it drop this low, it has indicated that we have reached the bottom of the market. And you can see right here, over the last year, we have not dropped this low throughout any point within the last year. So this could be a signal that we have hit the bottom of the market. In addition to this, what we're seeing is that many people have been arguing that we may see a $13,000 to $14,000 or $15,000 Bitcoin. But the argument against this, why I don't think we will see this happen, is because the crypto fear and greed index is already at 8. And whenever it has been this low, we have not dropped down too much further from that max fear point, which is right around, 8. So I don't think that will happen. Could we see $20,000 per coin? Yes, it's possible, but it seems very unlikely at this point. I want to quickly interrupt today's video to bring you a word from our brand new channel partner, Kucoin. Kucoin is a top 5 cryptocurrency exchange by market cap, and it's the #1 place for buying altcoins. Currently, they have over 640 plus different assets listed on the platform and over 1,000 different trading pairs. It's my personal favorite platform for buying, selling, and trading crypto. They have the easiest UI and UX design. They are completely secure, and they use KYC verification. In addition to this, this is the platform where I keep the most amount of my cryptocurrency holdings on, and where I'm always looking and searching for different altcoins. Right now, if you use my link in the description, you can get a $500 welcome bonus. All you need to do is sign up using the link in the description. You can get a $500 welcome bonus. In addition to this, you can get 20% off of your trading fees. So definitely check out the platform. It's my personal favorite, where I do all of my cryptocurrency investing, and let me know your thoughts on the platform. Anyways, let's get back to the program. In addition to this, when we're looking at Bitcoin in the charts, as we spoke about in yesterday's video, another bottom indicator is that we have seen that the volume has spiked recently within the last week. And you can see this last candlestick, this weekly candlestick, saw a huge spike in terms of trading volume. And every single time that we have seen this high of volume, it has been right around the bottom of the market. You can see right here, it was right around March of 2020. Bottom of the market, same as in around June, July of 2021, that was the bottom of the market. So this is the exact same point that we're at right now. So these are great bottom indicators. But really what I want to talk about in today's video is what has been going on with Terra, because when we look at Terra, there's a couple of interesting things happening that a lot of people have been talking about. The first is that Kwon, the founder of Luna, came out and proposed a second plan called Terra Ecosystem Revival Plan number 2. And in this plan, he talks about hard forking the blockchain. He says that the old chain would become Terra Classic, and the original Luna tokens would become Luna Classic tokens, and then they would create a new chain just being called Luna, similar to what happened with Ethereum and Ethereum Classic back in 2016. But the problem with this is that it's really already dead before it even has the chance of being implemented. And we'll get into the reasons why in a minute, but you can see, according to a preliminary poll, it already shows that there's 2,766 votes. 90% of the people are voting against this. So when the official vote comes into play on May 18th, when it is scheduled for, it looks like this is going to be a complete rejection of the plan, and it is not going to go through. So according to the plan, they are going to have a vote on May 18th. If it goes through, If it goes through, well, then it could launch on May 27th. But at this point, 90% of people voting in the poll are voting against it. So it looks like this proposal is dead before it even starts. Why is this? Well, the reason why this proposal is already dead before it starts is, first, like the first plan that he rolled out, this does not include UST. Either way, UST is dead. It is never going to be repegged to $1, and people have already lost hundreds of millions, billions of dollars with this. They have completely given up on this. So that is the first thing. Second reason why this proposal isn't going to go through is because too many people have lost trust in the ecosystem and in Terra Luna's blockchain that people don't want to have anything to do with it anymore. So that is the second reason. And the third is that many people who are part of this project right now just don't want have anything to do with it. When we're looking at the token distribution, much like his first plan, this also proposes creating 1 billion tokens and, distributing them to different people in the community, like 25% to a community pool, 25% to UST holders at the launch snapshot. And basically right now, people who are part of the community who still sort of believe in it want to have some sort of burning mechanism in place. But at this point, there's over 6.5 trillion Luna tokens. It is basically a meme coin, and really, it is dead. It is going to be impossible for it to come back. The community doesn't want to hard fork the ecosystem. Hard forking the ecosystem doesn't really create additional value. And based on everything that has already happened, there's just been too much trust lost with Luna. Now I want to talk about, lastly, what has happened with regulations over the last couple days, because we have seen a pretty big event take place in El Salvador. So in El Salvador, there were 32 central banks and 12 financial authorities, so 44 countries in total, that met in El Salvador to discuss Bitcoin and El Salvador's Bitcoin implementation over the last year. And in this recent meeting, there's been a lot of positive news and positive developments with Bitcoin. So the thing that I like about this is that despite everything going on with the market and everything with Terra Luna, we're still seeing dozens of countries come together to talk about how they can implement cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and how they can see a path moving forward where we're going to see widespread adoption of it. So this is ultimately good news for the market, seeing this many countries being involved in Bitcoin talks. So while Terra Luna looks like it is dead, can't come back from this, there's still a lot of exciting stuff going on in the market, and what happened with Luna could have helped trigger that capitulation point, that massive sell-off, to help us find the bottom of the market before we can start rallying back. Anyways, let me know your thoughts. Do you think we hit the bottom of the market? Do you think we still are going to go lower, potentially hit $20,000 per coin? But I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.